Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures at downtown Chicago here Friday, March 13th, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, markets are a little bit calmer here this morning. Everything's higher. And, you know, when we look back on this in a few years, this coronavirus is going to be the black swan of the decade here. So looking at some of the China manufacturing and factories are back online in China. So that's a real positive here. The worst seems to be over for China. And this out of the Milken Institute of Asia this week saying this coronavirus is going to slow U.S. economic growth, not cause a recession. So that's one of the million-dollar questions here is, are we going to have a U.S. recession? And here's a reliable source saying no. So that's a real positive for our markets going forward. Okay, let's talk about the fundamentals of the grains here. First chart of corn. Watch these charts now today. It's important. If we close on the highs here going into the weekend, you're going to have reversals up in the row crop. So watch where we close today. Funds are short these markets, and China starts buying U.S. agricultural products. They're going to be underwater, and they're aware of this. So corn, they're planting corn in Texas. They're maybe 30% planted. They're planting corn in Louisiana this morning. The parishes are drying out, so farmers happy to be in the fields in Louisiana. We just need export demand to continue to pick up here, and I think it will. The next chart is soybeans. Same chart. Now watch these charts today. And if we close to the extreme highs going into the weekend, that sends a message Sunday night here. So good chart on soybean. I like the charts on soybean meal too. We were buying soybean meal for clients yesterday that we work with. We like the follow through here today, given strength of soybeans. So we'll see about that. Certainly China buying U.S. soybeans is the key here. There's rumors China's going to buy U.S. corn. There's rumors China's going to buy U.S. wheat. So let's bring it on and make this facts and see how the markets respond to that. And then here, the wheat chart here. You can see we gapped lower in wheat yesterday, went up and filled that gap today, and maybe the strength in corn will supply a little bit of strength here to wheat going forward. So it's an important day for our markets here, and where we close is going to be key, and let's all have an excellent weekend.